Hello, this is David. I'm the Technical Service Manager for IFS Coatings, and today we're going to discuss the two-coat application for powder coatings. Now, in this particular one, we're actually going to put a primer coat and a top coat. Now, the primer could be in the case of somebody needing a little bit more corrosion resistance, or also to help hide any imperfections of the metal below it. So what we'll do is we will spray this panel and then put it in the oven and let it bake. And according to the technical data sheet, this particular primer is a 10-minute at 400-degree cure. So we'll spray this panel, put it in the oven, and after it comes back to ambient temperature, we will put the top coat on. All right? One other thing that I would like to mention about primers is you want to put them on at a minimum. Say like someplace within about 1.2 to 1.5 mils. If you get excessive amounts on there, it makes it a little bit tougher to apply your top coat. Now we will set the timer for 10 minutes and let it cure. Now that we've had an opportunity to let the primer cure, we will take it out and let it cool back down to ambient temperature. Now that the zinc primer has had a chance to cool down to ambient temperature, we're putting it back in the booth. We've changed the equipment over to the anthracite metallic. Now, it also is a standard cure, which is a 10-minute at 400-degree cure. So we'll now apply the top coat and put it in for final curing. Again, we'd like to put about 2 to 3 mils of top coat. You don't want to be too excessive with it, but normally, and also according to our technical data sheets, 2 to 3 mil will give you maximum protection for this particular coating, especially with a primer. Okay, in the oven it goes for the 10 at 400-degree cure. We'll set the timer, and after the product has had enough time to cure, we'll take a look and see what the end product looks like. Now that the anthracite top coat has had a chance to cure, we'll take it out and take a look. As you can see, the anthracite and the base coat look very good together and will increase its corrosion protection with a zinc-rich primer. One last thing I'd like to mention is be sure not to overbake the primer. If you do, you can run into intercoat adhesion issues between the primer and the top coat.